It's video day! It's also a nice sunny day. Hello guys, how's it going? You know who I am. Thank you for clicking on this video and thanks for being part of this channel. If you haven't already, then what are you playing at? Please press subscribe. And of course, if you like this video, then please make sure to leave a like because it helps me out loads. It gives me the confidence, it gives me the motivation to do with the videos. So yeah, please press like. Today is a sunny day, but the video is not gonna actually be in the sun. But just to show you how much of a sunny day is, here's the open world. Not only is it a sunny day today, today is challenge day. Now, the challenge we're gonna do today, as you can tell from the title of the video, is the 100 chicken nugget challenge. Not just any chicken nuggets, McDonald's chicken nuggets. But of course, little old me can't do 100 chicken nuggets on his own. I know who. Are you ready?
What are you doing?
Yes, as you can imagine, Darren is ecstatic to help me do this challenge, aren't you, Dad?
What challenge is that?
100 chicken nuggets from McDonald's. Are you up for it?
No.
Why? That is a great response. Serious note though, he is going to help me do it. Aren't you?
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to eat chicken nuggets.
Come on.
I don't like them.
He's joking, he's playing with me, You better have it. If he's not, I'll kick his head in. But we're not going to do the challenge just yet, because we both went out on a heavy night last night and came in and raided the fridge and raided the cupboard, so we're a bit full of a lot of junk food. So at the moment it's only 10:30 in the morning. This is quite early for us, so we're going to give it a few hours, play around in the sun first maybe, and then go and get the chicken nuggets. Chicken! Hi. If you're wondering why I'm dressed like this, it's because I couldn't persuade Darren to do the chicken nugget challenge with me unless I was the one to drive to, where are we?
Gabbins Dam? Gabbins Dam?
Doesn't sound right.
Gabbins?
Gaddins.
Just go Gaddins.
Gaddins. As you can see, I don't really know where I am. Gaddins Dam. I think it's Gaddins Dam. Some secret beach. But basically, those hills up there, behind those hills, there's a secret beach. Even though we're not near the sea. I don't know either. So yeah, I've already had a fit trying to get this jacket on, as you can see now. So yeah, I won't keep you too long, but I've got to climb this hill first.
2 hours later.
It's quite windy, so I might have to shout, but basically we climbed up a hill to find England's highest beach. And now you may be looking in the background and thinking, where the hell's the beach? So I'll show you the beach. As you can see, it's not really big, but it's still a beach. It's quite nice up here. I can imagine it being a great setting for a music video.
Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on.
Right, we are at the drive-through of McDonald's, as you can see.
Hi, can I take your order, please?
Hiya, can I have 5 boxes of 20 nuggets, please?
5 chicken select meal.
No, sorry, the 20 nuggets. The
Five
boxes.
chicken select and 20 nugget.
No chicken selects, just
20 nugget.
yeah, but 5 boxes, please.
5 boxes of them.
Yeah, please.
Alright, sorry.
It's alright.
Any sauce?
Yeah, can I have a cheese? Can I have 3 of each?
Yes, that's
Is that alright, thank you. And I'll have 2 large strawberry milkshakes, please.
I'm not imagining that you want that many nuggets, am I?
No.
Anything else on your order?
No, that's all, thank you.
Alright, okay, so guys, next in for me, thank you.
Thank you.
5 boxes of 20, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What did she say?
I'm not imagining you want that many. Am I?
So you've seen it, we've ordered it. This challenge is on. We're having it. We're having it. We're having it.
No. Don't want to turn into a chicken nugget.
You aren't gonna want to eat a chicken nugget at all after this, are you?
Probably not, no.
Because I'm not. Hiya. Yeah, please, yeah. Thank you. It's alright, 20 quid.
This house I didn't know about 5 or 8 roughly.
Yeah.
So don't forget we've got milkshakes as well, you know.
Is that alright?
Hi mate.
Hi, you alright, mate?
Nuggets, mate, yeah.
Yeah.
50 each, yeah.
Yeah, basically. Hopefully.
There's a ditch for you. Do you mind parking in bay one?
Yeah, no problem, mate. Nice one. So we have the McDonald's. She forgot the milkshake, so well apparently we didn't order milkshakes, so the footage will show if we have or if we haven't ordered milkshakes. I think we ordered milkshakes. 2 large strawberry milkshakes, please. We look like absolute obese animals right now, as Daz will show you. This is what we've been handed. 3 big bags, a big bag full of dips, and 2 lovely drinks. So we're now going to drive home and we're going to set the table and we're going to hopefully smash this challenge because I'm starving, I'm not going to lie. So see you at home. Hi, bag full of dips. Chicken! I'm going to start now. I said 3 of each dip, forgot how many dips there was. Right, okay, well there is the 100 chicken nuggets. There's the drinks, there's the dip. Here's me, and here's Daz. Let's just get this over and done with because I'm starving. And I feel like we've worked up an appetite today. You can't do this and not have a Snapchat. If you've not already, add me on Snapchat. That's my Snapchat.
Gotta put the stuff I do for Matt on my Snapchat.
Right, we're pretty much 1 box down already. So it's like 2 minutes and I'm still starving. So, dig in! Oh yeah! So I'm mixing it up a bit. He's going for curry sauce all the way through.
Well, I might change it.
No, he might change it now. He's seen my tactic. He's seen the boss man's tactic of variety. And he wants to try it, don't you?
Careful.
Hiya. Box 3.
Careful, yeah.
If you want a summer bod, don't do this. The worst thing is I feel like I'm gonna like proper blow up in spots
Oh, why?
tomorrow. I'm gonna look like one giant spot. Come on, you're so slow.
We've got them full. Oh, why?
You're not allowed to be full.
Told ya. The belly might look bigger, but it's not. What's that all about?
Determination, that. Come on, because now I'm staring at a box of 20. No, I'd have to eat them all. I've genuinely had about 60 now, I'm telling you now. You've had next to nothing.
Look, I'm
hungry, I'm starving. That was you, about 7 hours ago.
That was you.
And you've had a packet of crisps since it.
That was you.
I know, I wasn't hungry. That's why I made myself 1 crumpet, and you had 2.
Did we eat them? No, we got chucked in the bin, because they're out of date.
Exactly. You should be more hungry then. Do you know what's nice about doing this video? Not the best thing about doing this video is...
Doing it for me?
Well, yeah, I'm that, but we can see something that you can't. See, I can only get Daz to do this sort of stuff for me. I don't know why he does it with me, whether it's because he's a bit, you know, stupid, or he's just a real good mate. Well, look at that. How nice is that? That's me and our kid. And we've been doing daft stuff for a while now, haven't we?
Yeah.
That's all we've got to do each, and then we've done 100. That's it. Come on, that's nothing. I would like a medal for this. There must be some like...
You can have a golden nugget.
A golden nugget.
A golden
Is that
nugget.
the next challenge? The cereal? We got to eat 500 bowls of that or something. Yeah, I know what you mean, a golden chicken nugget. Did you not remember golden
Yeah,
nugget?
I know. I'm just laughing at how pathetic it was. Not so.
Pathetic! Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Start to get drier and drier as well.
What's 7 to go?
8.
Oh my god. We're gonna do this. You can't not do it now. People will watch this and think, how have you left? 7 or 6, or what have you got? Ain't it weird, like curry sauce? It's nice, but why would you have curry with chicken and chips and that?
Chicken curry.
Oh yeah.
Glad you said it, not me. Because you'd be milkshaking it.
He's got the cheek to tell you that my joke's bad and pathetic.
That was good because you didn't get it, because it's good. And then you clicked on it, you're like, ah.
I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't listening. 5 to go. You're on an early work tomorrow, though. You're gonna be on the toilet.
Oh well. Shit happens.
I get it. You know what we should do? To celebrate our victory.
Do a chicken dance.
Right, I'm gonna act it out. You've got to come up with the pun. Right?
Walking any bigger than chicken?
What?
Walking like you're bigger than chicken?
No. It's not big, is it? What's the chicken doing? Ask it why the chicken is doing what it's doing.
What? You got a bird brain, you know that?
Why did the chicken?
Cross the road. Across the plate.
It's not that funny when you have to explain it.
Definitely got 2 heads on it.
Yeah.
Chicken.
So if you like really bad jokes and puns, carry on watching, click subscribe button, there's plenty more to come, don't worry, I'm gonna be sick. 3 left. 3 is the magic number. Do you know what, we're gonna be really ill after this. We're gonna be blowing our noses. We're gonna be sneezing. It's almost like we'll have
Bird flu.
bird flu! What a joke! Where do these keep coming from? I do not know. The comedy gold right here on my channel.
Bird flu.
Have you heard about that? Have you heard?
Birds away.
Ah, the bed's away. We have no lives.
Yeah. These are that dry. It's actually drying my mouth up.
That's usually how your mouth gets dry. If you want to be sick, don't be sick on the table.
I'm not going to. This is the burp.
Do you want me to get a bucket?
No. It's right.
Well, listen, we've got 3 left.
I need to pace around a little bit. Just let me body move.
1 in 1 in 1. Oh, he's got it in 1. One thing I do not like to be vegan is eating. Because I may look slim, but in there, it's like, what's Doctor Who's house called?
TARDIS.
TARDIS. This.
TARDIS.
I've got basically the TARDIS in my stomach, and I can eat. And we have 1 chicken nugget left each. Just 1 chicken nugget! Dad, I just want to thank you for doing this with me. Dunk. Oh, there's not a room for 2. Shing.
In 1.
In 1? No, that'll make me
In
sick.
1.
In 1.
The gold quicker than doesn't it?
In 2, please.
1.
Oh, no, we didn't. Now go, guys. We've done it.
How?
Give it up. We've done it. We have done it. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, when we got halfway through that, there's not a chance I thought we were gonna do it. But we've done it. 100 McDonald's chicken nuggets. Oh, if you have liked this video, then why am I even asking you to do it? Please just leave a like on that video. And if you have not already, press the big red subscribe button. And if you click that bell next to the subscribe button, you shall get a nice notification on your smart device when I upload future videos. So if you don't want to miss out on anything like this, or any other my content, then press that bell. So from...
Hit that clicking bell.
What? Click that clicking bell. So from me and Jazz, we are going to say goodbye as we go and lie down somewhere for a long time with stomach cramps. Thank you very much, and we shall, or definitely I shall see you in the next video.